you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man?
I ain't seen you in a minute.
Man, it's been a while.
Same as Ruckus 615s. What's that?
You did some changing though, didn't you?
I had 2 salts in it.
Okay, yeah.
And I had the Headway batteries. And last year I changed up to the 2 10Ks and skid bank.
Okay, still the
and it was a 4th order. Now it's a 6th order.
Oh yeah, you did a little swapping up. That was a Trinity, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Trinity, still the Trinity, yeah. Alright. Very cool, man, whatever you got.
I'm a little hungover.
Hey, but that's part of the show.
Bear with me. I want to find it. Open that back up. I want the lower, the 22 to 43. Is that it?
Next week, I'll make you disappear. Joke's on you. Behind you.
Make it play like that, like up high like that.
The back is 22, the front's 45.
Okay. But you can play, you plan to do a little more, people can't play that long.
I'm just wondering, the plan is to add 2 more.
Take the baffle out.
And rebuild the box, cage it, everything.
Go all the way.
But I'm just gonna add 2 more.
Yeah, just 2.
Just 2.
That's all. You would probably add another amp or 2, wouldn't you?
I'm gonna have to do the math on that. I would think that those could handle 4 of them.
Yeah.
We'll just see.
You know it's always better to have more than less.
I'd rather have more than less. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking about selling those and getting 4 8Ks.
Which ones are these?
These are the 10Ks. But I was gonna, if I go 8, I would do 2 per 8K.
Okay, yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And have that, because those are low RMS. They're like 2,000 RMS.
Okay, so it's overdoing it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Man, that's good seeing you, bro. Yeah, let them know where they can find you on social media, man. You on social media?
Team Reckless Taco.
Yeah. Y'all know how I'm gonna tag them down below, man. Y'all heard them say it, I'm gonna tag them anyway. See you next time, man.
All right, bro.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ooh, that thing nice. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Been
sir.
waiting on that.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll do it again.
Huh?
We'll do it again.
All right, bro.
Uh-huh.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.